Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed about the one of the method of cell division, that is your mitosis. We have seen the different phases of mitosis. Mitosis is also called as your equational division, where one cell is dividing and it is producing your two daughter cell. Today we will be discussing the second method of cell division, that is your meiosis. So, meiosis, as you know that we have also discussed that it is also called as your reductional cell division. Why it is called as reductional division? Because whatever the daughter cells that are formed during the meiosis, it will be having half the number of chromosome than that of the parent cell. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, जो भी डॉटर सेल फॉर्मेशन हो रहे हैं उनके क्रोमोसोम नंबर रिड्यूस हो जा रहे हैं. उनके क्रोमोसोम नंबर विल बी हाफ दैट ऑफ द पेरेंट सेल. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज योर रिडक्शनल सेल डिवीजन. Meiosis was first reported in the egg of the sea urchin. ये पहली बार डिस्कवर किया था किसने? वैन वेंडेन ने. और उन्हें डिस्कवर किसमें किया था? सी अर्चिन में. And the term meiosis was given by your Farmer and Murray. Okay? Cells which is going for your meiosis process, they are called as your specialized type of cell, that is your meiocytes. So जो कोई भी सेल हो जो meiosis process करता है उसको बोला जाता है क्या? मेयोसाइट सेल्स. ओके, मेयोसाइट सेल्स में कौन आएगा? मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम योर गैमेटिक सेल्स, जो सेल्स आपके गैमेट्स फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल, द जर्मिनल एपिथेलियल सेल लाइनिंग द गोनाड्स लाइक योर टेस्टिस एंड ओवरी. कौन से सेल आपके मेयोसिस करते हैं? द जर्मिनल एपिथेलियल सेल. इफ यू सी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ योर गोनाड्स, सेक्स ऑर्गन जो है टेस्टिस एंड ओवरी, उसके लाइनिंग में अगर देखोगे यू आर हैविंग पर्टिकुलर वेराइटी ऑफ सेल दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर जर्मिनल एपिथेलियल सेल्स. दीज आर डिप्लॉयड सेल्स. These germinal epithelial cells, they will go for your meiosis and ultimately they will form your gametes like your sperm and ova. Okay? So these type of germinal epithelial cells, they are called as your meiocytes. These are diploid cells. But the sperm and ova, that are the gametes which are formed by the germinal epithelial cells, they will be having half the number of chromosome that of the germinal epithelial cells. That means they are haploid. Some of the time zygotes also go for your meiosis. That type of meiosis is called as your zygotic meiosis. Gametic, this is called as your gametic meiosis. Next one is called as your zygotic meiosis. Most of the time it is found in case of your algas. Similarly, another type of your meiosis is also there, that is called as your sporic meiosis. You will find in case of your plant species like your pteridophytes. So this is all about the history of the meiosis, where it was discovered, who discovered it, and who gave the term meiosis, etc. And this is your reductional division. Let us go to the meiosis. What are the different phases which are coming under the meiosis? If you see the meiosis is taking place in two phases. meiosis एक बहुत ही complicated phenomena है जो कि two phases में complete होता है. ठीक है. So meiosis will be dividing into two phases, that is your meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay. meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 में देखोगे जिस तरह से माइटोसिस में हम लोगों ने देखा था कि कोई भी सेल डिवाइड कर रहा है तो फर्स्ट इट विल गो फॉर योर न्यूक्लियर डिवीजन, दैट इज योर कैरियोकाइनेसिस. देन इट विल गो फॉर योर साइटोप्लाज्मिक डिवीजन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर साइटोकाइनेसिस. तो हियर आल्सो यू विल सी इन द meiosis 1 you will see karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Similarly in the meiosis 2 you will see karyokinesis and cytokinesis. According to the number phases 1 and 2, they are also named as 1 and 2. This is karyokinesis 1 coming under meiosis 1. This is cytokinesis 1 coming under meiosis 1. Similarly, karyokinesis 2 coming under meiosis 2. cytokinesis 2 coming under meiosis 2. Okay, then let us see what are the phases that there in case of your meiosis 1. First will be the nuclear division, that is your karyokinesis. Karyokinesis में जैसे आपने माइटोसिस में देखा था, it was consisting of your prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Similarly here also you will be having the phases. मगर जो प्रोफेज 1 है meiosis 1 का, this will be quite longer phase. सबसे long duration वाला phase है जिसके 5 sub phases हैं. This is why it is so complicated. So prophase 1 of the meiosis 1 is a long process which is having your 5 subphases. What are the subphases which are coming under prophase 1? That is your leptotene, second is your zygotene, third is your pachytene, fourth is your diplotene and the fifth one is your diakinesis. These are the 5 subphases which is coming under the prophase 1. Then after that the next phase will be coming, that is your metaphase 1. Then next is your anaphase 1 and the next is your telophase 1. After completion of the karyokinesis, there will be the cytokinesis, as you know that. Similarly, in case of your meiosis 2, the meiosis 2 will be starting by mean of your karyokinesis. Nuclear division से start होगा, karyokinesis 2 से start होगा, जिसमें आपके आएंगे सब phases क्या, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2 and उसके बाद आपका आएगा क्या, cytoplasmic division, that is your cytokinesis 2. This is nothing but like your mitosis. Mitosis जैसे ही है and इसमें equational division ही होगा. मैं बताती हूँ कैसे होगा, ठीक है. Suppose this is a cell. मैंने बताया था जो सेल meiosis करते हैं उनको बोला जाता है क्या, meiocyte. They are called as your meiocytes. Okay? तो meiocytes हमेशा diploid होते हैं, उनका क्रोमोसोम नंबर डबल होता है. So diploid को हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं 2n से, ठीक है. meiocyte जब डिवाइड करेगा तो ये पहले क्या करेगा, meiosis 1 करेगा. ओके, meiosis 1 जब करेगा, meiosis 1 इज अ रिडक्शनल डिवीजन जिसमें आपके 2 डॉटर सेल फॉर्मेशन हो रहे हैं. यहाँ पे एक डॉटर सेल फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, यहाँ पे एक डॉटर सेल फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. And the daughter cell will be having half the number of chromosome than that of your what, parent cell, that is your parent meiocyte cell. Okay, तो meiosis 1 में पहले formation हो रहा है two daughter cell which will be having half the number of chromosome that of the parent cell. That's why meiosis 1 is called as a reductional division. फिर ये दोनों daughter cell जो formation हुए वो जाएंगे क्या, meiosis 2 करेंगे. meiosis 2 में क्या होगा, each of the daughter cell they will go for your cell division and it will be forming your 2 daughter cell. Okay, each daughter cell will be forming 2 daughter cell. तो ये daughter cell यहाँ पे 2 daughter cell formation कर रहे हैं, ये daughter cell cell divide करके formation कर रहा है 2 daughter cell. whole total यहाँ पे कितने daughter cell formation हुए हैं, 4 daughter cell. यहाँ पे देखो ये जो क्रोमोसोम इन लोग का देखोगे, क्रोमोसोम नंबर विल बी द सेम दैट ऑफ योर पेरेंट सेल. ये जो डॉटर सेल का जो क्रोमोसोम नंबर है यही क्रोमोसोम नंबर आपका डॉटर सेल का होगा. तो मैंने बताया था अगर क्रोमोसोम नंबर डॉटर सेल के नंबर से क्रोमोसोम नंबर ऑफ द पेरेंट सेल इज इक्वल टू द डॉटर सेल मींस दैट इज द इक्वेशनल डिवीजन. मींस meiosis 2 जो कर रहे हैं that will be having your same number of chromosome, that means that is the equational division. So हम लोग बोल सकते हैं meiosis 1 is your reductional division and meiosis 2 is the equational division. And at the end of the total meiosis completion होने के बाद आपका 4 daughter cell formation होगा जो कि haploid होंगे. This is the introduction of the meiosis. Thank you.